Y'all, I bleached my hair. Oh my god, welcome back to my channel. Look at this. I ended up doing it. I did it all by myself. It's a cotton candy color, so y'all finna see the process. Let me take off this so y'all can really see me. This is insane. So yeah, I know I'm going to Atlanta tomorrow, and I was gonna do blonde, stick with blonde, but now I have to be extra. Like, this is me, come on. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this. You guys can go, you can watch the full process. It was not that bad. I ended up doing just 3 rounds because I didn't want it so bright, even though I was like, it still stayed bright. But y'all, this is so cute. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's go. Okay, y'all, so I'm bleaching my hair today, and the color we are bleaching it, as y'all saw, is cotton candy. Can y'all see what that looks like? I got a feeling it's not going to be looking this blonde or like this pink. I don't know. I don't know how far I'm going to bleach it. I don't know. I'm pretty sure I don't have to get it platinum blonde to get it that. I kind of don't want it that pink. I don't want like a super bright pink. So, y'all, we're just going to start this. I'm going to start this process. So, I got everything in front of me, and y'all, I forgot gloves again, but I'm home and I do have my bleaching brush, which it's just old bleach on it, and I have a bowl. So I used the 20 developer, 30. I'm gonna do like 1 of each. I don't know, I think I'm still gonna do 2 of 2. I don't know. And I have a bucket of bleach. You can get all this at the hair store. Also got just some hair lotion, mousse, and then I also get some lashes and glue. So y'all, we about to start this process. Look at this. Let me do a full 360. That's what we're working with today. It's so ugly. We're also packing up today. So yeah, gotta leave tomorrow. So let's get it together. I'm gonna start with the 30 developer first. Also, I forgot to mention, make sure you got your towel, an old shirt, and grease your edges, okay? I cut my hair yesterday, so I'm okay with the length. This is good because I kind of want some waves when I be brushing my hair. So I did the 30. It's a lot in here, y'all. So this is the consistency I got it. Didn't want it to be too thin, but that is actually really good. So we just want to start bleaching it because this stuff is ugly. Let's get this together. Okay, y'all, we back to the bleaching process. That pink was insane. So, y'all, I ended up letting the first round, I always let it sit on the longest because my roots are too black. Whatever, they grow in so fast. So, I let this sit on for 50 minutes, and then I washed it out. Y'all, I had to, I was excited, but I was like, I did not know how this was going to turn out to begin with. I literally thought this stuff was going to be so light. Boy, was I wrong. And it's so freaking hilarious. I swear it's funny because it don't like I did anything do it, y'all. So we're gonna jump right into it. This is the first round of 30 because it got the roots, so the roots are brown. Now we're gonna do another round of 30. Then I'm gonna jump into the 20. I might only have to do, because I think the pink will still be okay with, like, I'm not getting it platinum, so I'll probably gonna do 1 round of 20 after this one. I'm gonna do 1 more round of 30 just to get the rest of it, like some of this. And then we're gonna jump into the 20, and I should be able to put the color on after that. We're just gonna see. Your girl be tired from coming up the stairs. I need to get in shape. But yeah, first round complete. Now we on the second. And this is still 30. And 30 only goes so far. So that's why I always do 30. Then I start with 20. Because it's not going to make much of a difference. Like, it will still look a little bit like this. It's just taking all the black away. That's why I always start with 30 and then go up. I could have used the 10. But I just did 30 and 20. Okay, y'all. So I don't know why I look so golden right here. But I'm okay with it. Oh, yeah, it's like I just got to eat some spicy noodles, y'all. Okay, so I washed it out the second time. This is what we got. 30 don't really change that much. That's why we're starting our 20 developer. I should only have to do this once, okay? Because I don't want it too pink, but I feel like it's going to be bright anyway. So this is our next concoction. That's a good one. Let me go ahead and grease the edges. And I think I should really only have to do this once because I got all the black out. I need to make sure I get my widow's peak, though. So I don't think I said it in the last one. So I let the last round sit on for like 40 minutes. And this one I let sit on for 30 minutes because the 20, I didn't want it to get, since I'm putting the pink on there, I was like, I'm not trying to get it platinum. So I was trying to get it to a certain like level. So I let this sit on for like 30 minutes. And it still turned out good. Like, I'm happy because the 30 only do so much. All the black is going. Now it's time to lighten this up. Y'all, this process took a while, but at the same time, it's always worth it when your hair turns out looking amazing. Okay, y'all, so this is what we got. We about to put the color on it. I'm really nervous because, y'all, what's gonna happen? Okay, this is like so crazy. Look at this color, y'all. That's crazy. Oh my God, it's gonna be so insane. This is like really pretty, y'all. I don't want it to waste. It's now or never. Oh my God. This is bright as F. I hope when I let it sit, it's not this bright, but I'm okay with it if it is. But I didn't think like cotton candy like would be like, okay, you know what? Let's just mix this because I don't want it to run down my head. Whoa. Look at that, y'all. That's crazy. Okay, y'all, how insane is that color? That color is so freaking beautiful. I was like really shocked when I saw how bright it was. I was like, oh my God. I was thinking it was going to be like a pastel pink. But obviously the color is like, it lightens up when you wash it out. And I was also doing like recording on my phone too, y'all. I was doing 2 different things. My mom helped me. She ended up helping me with, she had gloves. So I let her do the back of my head because I could not do it. Y'all, I can't believe I did this to my hair. This is crazy. And I'm already ready to try a new color because our next is probably going to be blue. I'm definitely experimenting with my hair. Props of short hair because I can do anything with this stuff. Look at this, y'all. I just got through elaborate. I had my mom help because she had a glove. So we finished the color. And y'all, oh my God, I was about to forget the freaking eyebrows. So I'm only going to do this while my hair going to have to, ooh. You know what? Yeah, because I can wash them off by themselves with this water. I'm going to let her do my eyebrows because I almost forgot, you girl. I almost forgot, which we do not need. Improvising, y'all. I had the blow dry for like a couple of minutes. So I let the eyebrows sit for 10 minutes. And I let my hair sit on for 50, but I ended up letting it, so I set it for 50, but I ended up doing 30 because I was like, how bright is this going to get? And it still turned out bright. So I let my hair, the color sit on my hair for 30 minutes, y'all. Still turned out bright as hell, though. Hey y'all, so this is it after I washed it out. This is actually pinker than I thought, but I still like it. And the eyebrows are gone. They're there, but they're gone. So y'all, I'm gonna do my makeup, get cute, so you can see what this really finna look like. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You guys see how I look at the beginning, so y'all already know. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is crazy. Oh my God, it's like the second color I put on my hair because I did that cinnamon color. Wasn't a really big fan of that one though, but look at this. You know what? I'll just, let's just close out this video. And this is it, y'all. This is so crazy. I still love this. Let me do another 360 for you guys. I put my mousse and my Eco Gel on it. So I use the aloe. I think it's aloe vera mousse. No, it's in a red bottle, but I recently just got this one. So you can really use any mousse. It's just moisturizing your hair. Y'all, this is so crazy. I'm trying to get used to like all this. Oh my God, look at this. With makeup, you can't tell me nothing. I got to test it with glasses too. Hold on, y'all. Because I'm wearing these to the airport. So I want to see what I'm going to look like. Oh, yes. Yes. I approve of this. Look like I'm going like really stylish, but like business. Oh my God, I need to clean these. Ooh. You can't tell me nothing, y'all. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at IamTatianaGray. And I'll see you beautiful people on the next video. Bye.